Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Roeder, your media specialist here at Ocean Breeze Elementary, and today we are going to learn how to find our Google Classroom for our activity classes and be able to find the media tab and all of the previous video tutorials that I created for your class. All of those lessons that I did before, I recorded them and you can access them if you need to. So if you weren't here on a day that we did a live session, or you forgot how to access Destiny or do something on Destiny or Sora, or you just didn't understand it the first time, now you have access to the videos where you can pause them, rewind them, review the content until you completely understand how to use Destiny and Sora. Let's start with Mrs. Hare's Google Classroom because I figured you guys are already familiar with this. So here is her Google Classroom. And if you are already signed into her Google Classroom, which I'm assuming that you are since you're here on Zoom, then you would go up here to the three white lines, or actually they're black on this screen, but the three horizontal lines up here, click on that. And then you will see a list of all of your Google Classrooms. Mine list is very long because I have several Google Classrooms, but the two important ones for you are Mrs. Hare and Activity Classes 2020-2021. So since we're already in Mrs. Hare's and we want to see our activity classes, we're going to click on that one. Go. Now once we are in our activity classes, in the stream you might see some updated news for whatever classes are accessing our Google Classroom. Remember, this isn't just for media, this is also for art, music, PE, and SEL. But once you're on here, you are going to want to click on Classwork. And then you will come over here to Media. And under the Media tab, you can see this current week's work or lesson. And this is the lesson for all of our e-learners from 2nd to 6th grade. Here was the assignment, and here's the video for the assignment. And then our kindergarten through 1st grade assignment is here, and the video for them is there. Now if you keep scrolling down, you will see the book club order. So if you want to order a book, which also benefits our media center and purchasing new books, then you can click on this link here. We also have a folder for SSYRA list, so if you need to see the titles of the books on your SSYRA list, you can come here to K through 2nd and click on the link. If you keep scrolling down further, you will see the K through 2nd grade read alouds, and those are for you as well. So if you would like to hear some of your SSYRA books read out loud to you, you can come here and click on those. And then just below that are the video lessons on Destiny and Sora that I had previously showed to you. They're right here and available to watch anytime. So if anytime you're like, oh, I don't remember how to search for books on Sora, then you can come and review the Sora video lesson. Or if you're thinking, oh, how did I narrow it down to just ebooks on Destiny? Then you can click on the narrowing format lesson. So each of these is a different lesson that I've showed you previous in this school year. If any of those are something that you need to review in order to remember how to access ebooks, audiobooks, or even our physical books off of the bookshelf, this is where you would come. Now, if for some reason you are not already in Google Classroom with Mrs. Hare and you're not quite sure how to get there, this is what you do. You go to do a Google search for BPS Launchpad. Click on the top link. Get logged into your Launchpad. And once you're in there, you are going to look for the Google Apps Learn button. When you see the Google Apps Learn button, click on it. And then you need to come up to this waffle up here. click on the waffle, and you will be able to find Google Classroom. If it doesn't show up at the top of your drop-down menu, you can always scroll down to see the other apps that are available. Mine is showing up on the top, probably because I use it a lot. So once you locate your Google Classroom, click on it. And then it'll show you all of your Google Classrooms. Again, I have a lot of Google Classrooms that I'm a part of, but you probably will see Mrs. Hare's Google Classroom and the activity class's Google Classroom. So in order to get to our activity class, you would click on that gray one, and then click on Classwork, Media, and there are all of your assignments and all of the things that I just reviewed with you. If you need to get to any of your other classes besides media, they are all right here. Art, music, PE. If you have on Friday, these are your Friday classes, and SEL. All right, I hope that helps you guys out. Please go into your Launchpad, into your Google Classroom. Right now, go find your activity class Google Classroom, locate this Media Center folder, and locate those video lessons that I created for you. So here's a nice little short breakdown of all of the different content that I've put in the Media Center folder. So please go locate all of those now. Once you are done, you can check out books from Destiny, Sora, or if you happen to have a Learning Ally account, you can check them out from there as well, and read a book. All right, guys. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.